SMISS Test Center is a multifunctional institute built for conducting professional tests on e-cigarettes in accordance with the requirements of ISO 17025 CNAS and WTDP testing procedures. It covers an area of 1,200 square meters and currently has 18 experienced technicians with doctors, master's or bachelor's degree at home and abroad. Equipped with more than 60 sets of international top-level testing equipment, it is capable of doing hundreds items of reliability tests involving chemical analysis, physical properties, electrical properties, mechanical stress, environmental experiments, and so on. SMISS Test Center is composed of reagent room, fragrance adjusting room, synthesis lab, analytical instrument room, liquid chromatography room, GCMS room, spectrum room, chemistry lab, mechanics lab, salt spray lab, physics and chemistry lab, comprehensive lab, environmental lab, and so on. SMISS is equipped with the industry's top equipment for e-cigarette reliability testing, and it has the qualification and ability for independent testing. In SMISS, a full set of reliability tests are required for the R&D of all new products and all newly selected materials. The R&D products can be mass-produced only after passing such tests. Before being delivered, the products are required to be randomly sampled for a full set of reliability tests, and all the tested indicators shall be within the safe value.